To confirm what your default browser is, you're going to press the Apple logo on the top left corner of your screen. You're then going to click on System Preferences. Once here, you're going to go to the search bar and search for Default. You can then click the first option, Set Default. Under the second divider, you should see Default Web Browser. If it is not set to Chrome, click on whatever your default browser is currently and select Chrome from the list of options. If it is already set to Chrome, you're good to go. If you do not see Google Chrome listed in the list of web browsers, then it is not installed on your device and you need to download and install that before you can continue. Once it is installed, come back here and set it to be your default browser. Now that that is confirmed, in the new Chrome tab, you're going to enter app.vanta.com. You should be taken to a sign-in screen. This webpage will have 5 different sign-in methods presented to you. Continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, continue with Okta, continue with OneLogin, or continue with email. If you're not sure which to select, reach out to your Vanta administrator, as they can let you know what your identity provider is and which option to choose. In this example, we'll continue with Google since the user will be using Google Workspace. You'll want to enter your Vanta associated email. This is usually your employee email, followed by the password used to sign into that account. Once those credentials have been verified, you will be taken to the onboarding screen. If you're not sure what email to use to sign in, reach out to your Vanta administrator and they can confirm for you. If you do not know your username or password, or you need your password reset because you forgot it, you will need to reach out to your internal IT staff or your Vanta administrator to have this done. Vanta support cannot assist you with this. If you're greeted with a nice to meet you message, please contact support so we can provide assistance. If you chose to continue with Google or Microsoft and got taken back to the sign-in page with the following error specifying you to sign in with either Okta or OneLogin, please just follow the instructions as your administrator has configured it for you to sign in via those instead of signing in via your email. Once successfully authenticated, the onboarding page will look like this. This user only has one task, which is to install the agent. You may have additional tasks such as accepting policies, doing security training, or uploading some type of screenshot as proof that you completed some task. These will vary even with users that are in the same organization, as they can belong to different groups that have different onboarding tasks. Do not worry if your onboarding page does not look like this. For this user, their single task is to install the agent, so this is why their onboarding page only has one single task. The agent could be the first, third, last, or second task. It really depends. To continue with installing the agent, you will want to click the Install Vanta Agent button. It is purple. This will download an installer, which should take 30 seconds to a minute to complete. It could be longer, it depends how fast your internet connection is. Once the installer is done downloading, you'll double click on it to begin the install process. You're going to want to click Continue 3 different times until you get to the Installation Type screen. You'll click Continue again, and this time you'll be prompted for your password. This should be the password you use to sign into your account. If you're not an administrator, you will not be able to install the agent. If you do have administrator privileges, just enter your password as usual and click Install Software. After a few seconds, you should see the installer be at a running package script screen. A new tab will then open on your current open Chrome browser. It will begin to register the agent. Once completed successfully, you will see a green check mark in the text your device is registered. You can then go back to the onboarding page tab and refresh it. You will see a green check mark next to the download and install the Vanta agent task. The agent is now installed and you can continue to finish the remaining tasks. If this was your last task to complete, you will see a green check mark next to Security Review Complete header. If you could not get the device registered, press Command and space and then type in text edit. This is going to open a text editor where you will copy some troubleshooting information for Vanta support. You're then going to press Command and space again and type in terminal. Once terminal is open, you're going to paste in the following command. Once you paste in this command, press enter and you'll be prompted to enter a password. This should be the password you used to install the agent before, or the password you used to sign into your computer. Again, I am assuming you have administrator access. If you do not have administrator access to the device, you will not be able to perform any of these steps or install the agent. You'll need to have your IT staff do it for you. When entering the password, you will not see any characters on the screen. This is not an issue with the agent or your computer. This is a security feature of macOS. Enter your password as normal and press the return button. Starting from the bottom of the screen, you're going to drag up and select all of the output from the command. You're then going to right click and select copy. You're then going to click the window for the text file and click paste. Now that everything is pasted there, you're going to double click into the text file window again and then click file from the top screen. Be sure that it says text edit. If it does not say text edit, click on the text file editor window one more time. You're going to click save and then save as whatever you'd like to name it. I'm just going to name it Dr. Output for Vanta support. Click Save and remember where you saved this file to. You're then going to attach it to email to support and let us know you had issues registering your device. If TextEdit is not an available application on your device, that is okay. You can do the same steps, but instead of pasting it to the text editor window, you'll paste it in the body of the email you're writing to support. Please do not submit a screenshot nor remove any of the text from the output. If you get a command not found message when attempting to run a command to get the output, please try installing the agent by downloading it again and going through the installer. If it does not work a second time, please write in the support letting us know you tried doing it twice and we will assist you.